There are 4 trim panels in the front trunk area. The main panel over the battery and wiper motor, red arrow, 2 side trim panels, blue arrows, and the front trim panel by the hood lock latch, green arrow. To remove the main panel, gently pull up on each side by the cutout handles indicated by the red arrows. There is a clip on each side of the panel, blue arrow not seen, that sit in cutouts in the chassis, red arrow. With the front clips released, pull the panel forward, freeing it from the cowl piece, red arrows. Porsche has provided a hanging strap to attach the piece to the underside of the hood if you are working roadside or don't want to put it down. If any of the trim clips are missing, you can simply order new ones, red arrow, and replace them by sliding them into the mount in the trim piece, blue arrow. The side trim pieces are held in place by small nubs that sit in the fender, red arrow, 2 clips, blue arrows, and a small piece of Velcro and a tab on the end, green arrow. Use your hands and gently pull the trim piece away from the fender, releasing the rubber nubs. Use your hands and gently pull up on the trim pieces by the clips. This image shows the location of the clips on the underside, red arrows. Here is shown the missing Velcro and the tab on the end where it sits in the front piece. On the front piece, use your hands and gently lift up on the piece by the clips, red arrows. There is a cutout in the piece to slide the hood release through, blue arrow. This image shows the clips on the underside, red arrows, and the slots in the chassis where they sit. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.